Okay, so these rack and pinion actuators that I've made are a great way to start for the robot's movement, but since they're 3D printed, there's a couple things that are a problem. The main one is that these 3D printed gears will strip where they're connected to the servo. You can see this one right here. It's spinning, but the gear isn't. So the same thing happened over here on this side. So I made a really quick fix and cut up a horn and attached it through a larger hole and connected it to the servo. And that seems to work okay. There's a lot of force on these gears and they will strip out easily. This is a good solution, but that horn's plastic and it will strip out over time. So I need to modify those gears so that they will do the job until I upgrade to different actuators. I tried this little maneuver, kind of like the other horn, using a metal one. But the gear is too thick and the servo won't engage with the horn at all. So I'm going to use these, but I'm going to have to drop them down into the gear so that they'll engage well with the servo. Alright, so here it is installed, and that's going to be much more reliable. Now I just have to do it with all the rest of these rack and pinion actuators. And at least they'll be reliable for the testing period before they get upgraded. Alright, well, that's it. Until next time.